Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, if you hear a lot of birds, I'm actually filming in the evening today and there's a tree outside my window and there's a lot of birds on it, so you'll get a bit of bird ASMR the whole time. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a thick kajal. I know you must have seen a lot of videos where people are showing you how to do the kajal, but I'm going to tell you the pro tip that it's not always the kajal or how you do it, but it's also what you do before doing the kajal. I have not applied my concealer today because this is a huge part of the video. How you do your under eye will decide how well your kajal stays throughout the day. It's actually also how much sweat and oil you're getting at this part. Because the moment that starts interfering with the kajal you're applying on the outside, it's obviously going to smear off. So I'm going to tell you first how to prepare your under eye when you want to wear a kajal which is thick and you want it to stay all day. First of all, apply your concealer as it is or corrector, whatever you do. Do your regular routine. I'm using a PAC 215 brush for this. I'm just applying my concealer as usual. The concealer I used was from Hourglass. Whatever concealer I have left, I also apply it on my lid. Do you see that line? Make sure you look up and you blend anything that's there. I'm using these brown puffs by Arquetta and my NARS translucent powder. You can use any compact powder that you like to use. Make sure there is no extra product. Now, while you're looking up, set your under eye all the way to your lash line. Now when you're done with this part, you will take some loose powder and further lock. I just applied some loose powder. Since I'm not doing like a full-blown eyeshadow look today, I can also set my eyelids a little bit. Now you can apply some makeup spray or whatever. I would say if you're wearing a thick kajal, do your kajal at the very end. Do your entire base makeup, set with setting spray or skin tint, whatever you're doing. A setting spray or a fixing spray and properly set under eyes with powder is a must. You can't skip this. Now let's get started. I'm going to take some of the bronzer peachy color that I have and I'm going to just do like a flush of color all over. Like so. I'm taking a very light color. Take your bronzer or anything. You can also use your blush. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to take the same color and also go here. I'm using the K-Beauty Kajal Liner Duo today. It has kajal on one end and eyeliner on other end. Very simple first. We're going to just apply it on our waterline, and if you struggle with that, you put your liner here in the waterline and you look there. Now to go on this side, you put it here and look there. This was the simplest kajal, right? Now we're gonna apply it a little on the outside, but not too much. Now before this kajal starts to set, we have to take a small pencil brush and you have to start blending it. Do not go outside of this bulge that you see. Stay inside. Also, don't go straight, go in a curve. Like so. Now comes the part which makes this look fully smudge proof. We're going to use the eyeliner side. All the parts that you see here, your skin showing through, you just fill it in. Do you see that, what I'm trying to do here? You have to now, let me come more closer to explain you that. Now, you see this is our smoky part. Apply the eyeliner, make sure you are not hiding the smoky part, you have to stay inside of it. Very close. Just to darken it, but not also give it like a defined shape. You can pull your eyes like this. I am not applying liner inside, I'm applying it outside. See how nice and dark that looks? Take your eyebrow powder and smoke it out nicely. As you go outside, you can make the line thicker, because we have to make sure we are not going outside this natural bulge we're having. But here, since we don't have any bulge here, we can do it nicely. Now you can obviously apply mascara and end it here, or take your eyebrow powder and just apply it here. Not overdo the step, especially on this side. Black eyeshadow, very close. Let's apply some inner corner highlight. I think I already taught you by now. Do a base blend, then take some more and inside of it. This will give you that pop from within. I'm gonna apply some mascara now. This is the Maybelline Colossal. And because of what you just did on the lid, it's gonna also give some beautiful volume to your lashes. You know, this with a beautiful bindi would look so stunning and so regal. This is my Sabyasachi style of doing a smoky liner. You can skip the step, obviously, that I did above the liner part. But if you do this lower lash line, everyone's gonna ask you how do you smoke it out and how beautiful it looks. Actually, let me get back with the bindi. Now, you can't tell me this looks so freaking regal. You wanna do this look, but you're scared of it if it will smudge. I'm gonna tell you now exactly where it will smudge. It's no longer gonna come here because you've very nicely secured it. These are your tear ducts. It's gonna get collected there. Travel with your kajal and a Q-tip always when you're going out with this kind of a look. Anytime it gets collected, just take your Q-tip and slowly just tap here, and it will mostly pick up the collection on your Q-tip. After that, you can go with your kajal inside to retouch it. This kind of look will not require any retouching for 6 to 8 hours. But if you're a bride, you probably have to wear that look for almost 10-11 hours. I did this kind of look on my engagement, and this is exactly what I did to make sure it looks fresh for all day. Now, this is the kind of look that gets you a lot of compliment. It doesn't look like your regular kajal. You can wear it on parties. You can wear it for that amazing Sabyasachi look. If you want me to teach you how to do a proper shaped kajal, where you can tell that there's a kajal with a thick line, you can let me know. I'll probably make another video on that sometime later. I approve of this product, and it's on sale right now also. I've added a link for this in my description box where you can get it on a sale price. So make sure to check on that if you're interested. My lenses again. I know you guys love the contact lenses I wear. This is Olen's Scandi Hazel Brown. Let me know what you think of this look, and I'll see you in my next one.